Alright guys, so welcome back. This is number 41. I'm CryptoPhil and I'm using my money from the crypto space and for everyone who donate to help the poor people in the world, in India, Africa and Philippines. Look what we're doing. Just spend 4 minutes of your time. This is the kids where we help this time. Thank you so much for everybody who donate. Thank you for the person who is doing the video, and I'm coming to see you in 2 months time. Now remember, the best thing in life are memories. Okay, now we're building memories with family, friends, and one of the best way to build memories to help somebody else. Maybe you're not going to build up memory for you, but you can create memory for somebody because you help them, and that going to stay with them for all their life. Go and build some memories. Watch the video to the end, like, comment and share the video. Thank you.
So we are in the market buying stuff for the kids. After some time we are heading back to the place for distribution. See you there. So finally we have arrived at the kids' place. These are the slums where, with the help of CryptoPhil, we have hired a teacher who is teaching them regularly, and also with the support of CryptoPhil we distribute these meals, nutritious meals, which is quite necessary for the kids. You can see we have bought eggs. There are some energy drinks, biscuits, chips are there, bananas, and very important milk for the growing kids. So now it's time to distribute milk packets to each kids. Thank you, Phil, for all your loving support, which is helping immensely to these kids. So these kids are mainly engaged into begging. Now with the help of CryptoPhil, we are trying to bring them into the mainstream by giving them basic education and meals from time to time. Now it's time to distribution of bananas. So it was a great day spent with the kids. Kids were quite happy. So we will be leaving for today. Thank you, Phil, for your love and support. Have a great day. Bye.